Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel Skies TV. Alright, so in this video guys, I'm going to talk about the new tracking systems of the Makati Express Cargo. Lately, I received some customer, they were stressed and they were so worried how they are going to track their cargo, and also when they are going to track their cargo, data is not found. So if you're watching this video guys, please don't forget to share and also to subscribe our YouTube channels and follow our Facebook page for more update and informations. So are you ready? So let's go. So and now guys, laptop po yung ginagamit po natin guys. Okay, ito po yung outcome po ng ating laptop. Alright, so okay, pwede po kayo gumagamit po ng phone. Okay, okay, walang problema po yun guys. As long as nandyan po si Google. Okay, nandyan po si Google o si Uncle G. Alright, so and now i-click po natin itong si Uncle G. Okay, i-click po natin yan. Alright, and then i-click natin. O yan, i-click natin si Uncle G. Okay, let us just wait for a few seconds. Okay, ito na po yung outcome po ni Uncle G. Okay, so palakihin lang natin konti. And then after that guys, please guys, be careful po guys. Okay, itong word na to guys, kasi new system kasi ito. So i-check po ninyo guys word for word po guys. Okay, ito yung HHPS, dalawang dots, sa MakatiExpress.com. Please sundin nyo lang po guys. Okay, word for word or letter by letter po guys. Okay, after that, i-click po natin yung enter. Okay, click po natin yung enter. So hintayin lang po natin kahit for a few seconds. And then, so ayan, ito na po yung outcomes po ng ating new system po. Kung paano po natin iti-track yung ating bagahe. So, new system po to guys ha. New system po yan guys, okay? So, dati kasi guys, ginagamit po ninyo old system po yun guys. So, that's why po hindi na po ninyo natatrack, hindi na po lumalabas yung mga informations po ninyo, yung data out found na. So, that's why, kasi old system po ang ginagamit po ninyo guys. So, and now guys, so, ito na po yung new system po natin. So, makikita po natin dito yung may track my shipment, tracking number, and also track shipment. So, nakikita po nyo lahat dito guys. Alright, and then after that, kapag na-click mo na to guys, so, ganito na po yung outcome po ng ating system. Okay, puntahan po na natin yung resibo po natin. I-check po natin yung tracking number po natin nandoon po sa resibo guys. Nandoon sa right side. Okay, nandoon sa right side guys. Makikita po ninyo yan. Okay, and then for example guys, okay, nandito po kayo sa aming brands. Let's say yung Mac. Okay, nandito kayo sa aming brands. So let's say gamitin natin yung air cargo. Ita-track natin yung for air cargo. Okay, nandito kayo sa Macau, nandito sa nakabase kayo dito sa amin. So yung sa amin guys, okay, MAK lang po yan. MAK stands for Macau po yan, 3-digit code. Okay, let's say ito sa air cargo to guys. Okay, i-check po natin yung air cargo po ni kababayan. Halimbawa lang to guys. Okay, 5517 0 and then 351. Halimbawa lang to guys, okay? So ayan, i-check na natin. I-click mo itong track shipment na to, okay? I-click mo yan, alright? And then hintayin na natin kahit konti. So ito na po yung outcomes po ng informations po ni kababayan, kasi nagpadala po siya ng air cargo. So ito na po yung result guys, okay? Nakikita mo na yan, okay? Nandito yung order number, yung tracking number po niya, okay? Nandito naman po yung booking date. Itong booking date nito guys, ito yung booking date na which says kung kailan po siya na nagbo-book. Alright, and then shipper name, yung shipper name nandito po, yung destination na city, consignee, and then number of boxes, and then status. So yung status na guys, transit na, ibig sabihin na okay, nakaalis na to. And then nandito naman sa baba guys, makikita mo po yan guys yung makikita mo po yan yung tinatawag nilang itong transaction na to guys, kasi ito kung kailan siya nakaalis, kung kailan po niya ito halimbawa ito pick up from branch, so kailan po ito na pick up galing dyan sa bahay po ninyo. Okay, and then itong shipping zone naman to guys, kung kailan po ito na transfer doon sa container. And then ready to ship to guys, ito naman po yung date niya, kung kailan po yun siya na nakaalis from Jeddah o from airport, I mean, kasi air cargo to, from airport. And then departure date, itong departure date guys, ito yung estimated kung kailan po niya ma-receive. Okay, ito yung air cargo guys. Alright, let us proceed to another one, yung tinatawag lang sea cargo. Okay, puntahan na naman natin si sea cargo. Okay, same procedure lang po tayo guys. Okay, 99, okay, 17, let's say 23351, halimbawa lang to guys. Okay, so ito check po natin guys. Sea cargo po to guys, okay? Ito guys, halimbawa lang to guys, okay? Sa mga nagtatanong po sa akin dyan, kasi marami kayong doubts, saka mga stress, so ito na po yung ating new system guys. So ito na po yung outcome po guys ng sea cargo po ni kababayan guys, okay? Nandito yung order number, so booking, ito yung tracking number po niya guys, okay? Makita mo tracking number po yan guys, okay? Nandoon po sa resibo, and then yung booking date, kung kailan po siya nagbo-booking date, okay? And then after that, yung shipper name, destination name, so nandito po yung pangalan, lahat ng information po ninyo sa resibo, nandito rin po naka-attach po yan sa system guys, okay? And then after that, yung status guys, yung status, yung transit, ibig sabihin nakaalis na po yan. And then ito naman sa baba guys, okay, yung pick up from branch, kung kailan po na-pick up ni driver dyan sa bahay po ninyo, and then itong shipping zone, kung kailan po na-transfer doon sa container, and then after that, itong ready to ship, kung kailan po ito nakaalis doon sa Jeddah Seaport, nandito po yung date, and then itong departure guys, itong kailan po ninyo marireceive guys, okay? So, ito po yung Sea Cargo, okay? So, let's say for example guys, okay, hindi po kayo dito sa aming branch, sa Limbawa, okay, nasa Riyadh po kayo. So, kapag nasa Riyadh guys, RUH lang po yan guys, and then yung tracking number po ninyo doon sa resibo, let's say 99, ganon. Wala nang space wala nang day, okay? And then after that, punta naman po tayo sa Madina, okay? Yung Madina naman guys, i-click mo lang yung MAD, okay? Yung 99, yung sa resibo po ninyo, okay? Ganun lang po guys, okay? And then after that, yung sa Jeddah, yung sa Jed lang po yan guys, okay? Yung 999. Sa Sea Cargo, i-check mo lang doon yung yung tracking number nandoon po sa resibo po ninyo guys. Okay, let's say sa balad, so okay, si BAL lang po yan guys. Okay, 99, okay. And so ganun lang po guys, kadali po yung ating kung paano po tayo mag-track. So ito na po yung ating new system po guys, kung paano po natin ita-track yung ating bagahe for air cargo and sea cargo guys. Okay, okay, ililink ko to sa baba. Okay, paki-check na lang po sa baba guys. Okay, so ganito lang po yung ating system po guys. Ito po yung new system po natin guys. Okay, and then guys, huwag nyo kalimutan po guys, i-share po ang video na to, and then pakisubscribe na rin po tayo sa YouTube and also sa page guys, sa Facebook page, and then for more informations and also our new updates guys, especially yung mga promotion po guys, okay, nag-update po tayo dito sa ating channel guys. Please guys, okay, huwag nyo kalimutan i-subscribe guys, and then kung may mga katanungan po kayo, pwede po kayo mag-comment sa baba, okay? Let me to answer that one for the next video, okay? So, anyway, hanggang dito na lang po tayo, please. I hope that this will be clear, it is clear for you guys, and mag-ingat po tayo. God bless you all guys, okay? Bye-bye, thank you.